Hey folks, it's Adam, and it is smoothie day here at Elite Demonstrations. We've got blender, we've got the bottle for drinking, and the membership for all sorts of options, and you're gonna wanna check this out. When you pick this up, you get the membership. This thing is fantastic. So you're gonna be making smoothies like crazy. We're gonna go ahead and we are mixing together with this 1100 watts smoothie blender. We've got, let's see, some strawberries, some pineapple, some grapes, some mango, and some peaches all in the bowl right here. We're gonna go ahead and put that into our smoothie, and we're going to make something that's absolutely fantastic. Let me go ahead and adjust this camera down just a little bit, and we are going to, we're gonna have a great time here, folks. So first, I've just added in my chilled fruit. You can do this room temperature or chilled. Then there's a max line right up here. This is great, and I tell you what, with the membership and everything, and with all the recipes, you've got so much stuff here. More recipes. Get the app, folks. It's easy, it's peasy, and it's lemon squeezy. All right, make sure I'm still in frame, huh? So, I've got some Welch's berry, pineapple, passion fruit. I'm gonna fill that up as well. And you know what? Forgive me for a second. I'm gonna add a little bit of ice from the fridge into this as well, because I like my stuff a little chilled, right? So far we've got it to right here. They say don't overfill it, but for best results, I'm gonna go all the way to the max line, which is 17 ounces. Hardly seems like 17 ounces. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my top there. Look at that, that already looks delicious. I could drink it like that, right? We're gonna go ahead, plug her in, and show her off, because I'm super excited about this delicious smoothie drink. If I had the opportunity, I'd throw a little kale in there. I don't have any kale on me, maybe next time. But surprising, delicious add to smoothies is kale. And now this thing has 6 powerful blades, 1100 watts, and it's going to blow your mind that you can blend and eat out of the same cup. Throw it in the dishwasher is what I do for this bottom piece. Some people are gonna wash by hand, but this is absolutely fantastic. Look at that powerful blender go. You can already see it. It's depending on how much you want it done. You can go up to a minute on this. You don't have to go that long. It's just so powerful. All right, now let's go ahead and check her out, all right? We're gonna take that out, just lifts out. And then I wanna show you the insides here. How beautiful. You can imagine that smells fantastic. Let's see if we can get better lighting on it. Good stuff, right? I'm gonna go ahead, you can put the top on it, sip on it in the gym, or just sip on it like a glass. Holy cow, that's absolutely, it's like a party in your mouth. Everybody's invited. So there you go, folks. All that in a BPA-free cup, double walled so it stays cool, and this thing is absolutely fantastic. You can throw it on there, not worry about it spilling, take it to the gym. You can pretty much use this to have your lunch in the car, your breakfast in the car on the way to work. I'm a big fan, and it's so much of a healthier alternative to those sodas and pops and things that are just high in sugar. This, you're getting all the nutrients, your vitamin C, your vitamin A, whatever is in that fruit. It's like eating fruit for breakfast, but the flavor profile is fantastic. So go ahead, pick it up. You absolutely will not be disappointed. All right, now let's go ahead and show you the up close. This is something that makes for a great gift. It's going to make for a great gift for yourself. And I just absolutely dig it, and I think you will too. All right, now we're looking at the part to see what all comes with it. See, this is the book. And it is the Power the Change. Okay. Then there's another book with inside this. It's a start guide. Wow. 14 days custom thick smoothie plan. Build your own smoothie. Add ice, boosts healthy fat, fruits, and leafy greens. More recipes. Looks fantastic. Everything you need. All right. So I've already got my own recipe in mind. I've got some mangoes and pineapples and things of the sort. You've probably seen that part of the video by now. And here's the inside. All right. So you can see fantastic stuff here. Let me make sure I got everything out of the box. I don't want anyone complaining that I missed anything. This looks like the base. Now this portion of the video, I don't know a lot about the product yet, so I don't know exactly how to put everything in and stuff, but I will figure that out. This does look like it must come off here. There we go. That's the blender. And then the cap. Again, I apologize if I don't know how to use this yet. Just like you, it's new to me at this point in the video, but it looks like there's a lot of fun stuff here. Nice lid. Comes on and off easy. Screws on. Very soft texture design. Clear plastic. I assume this is machine washable. There's a max fill line, 17 ounces, 500 milliliters, 6 ounces and 12 ounces and 7 ounces. And wow, a sturdy red, beautiful design. This thing's gonna be a work of art in your kitchen. Gonna make a real difference. You can see, we'll go ahead and put this on here. There we go. Make sure I get it right. There we go, tighten it in. And then accordingly. So anyway, folks, a really fantastic Cocinare, Cocinare? Cocinare, we'll assume. And yeah, you can get to drinking your smoothies in no time. The great little device. And yeah, I love the idea of being able to do single serving smoothies. Drink right out of the cup you make it out of, so you're not making too many dishes. All right, thanks again for watching. Go ahead, get your bowls going right now. The biggest bowls in the house. Can't wait. Thanks for watching, and say it with me. Adios, amigos.